So one of the trickier parts of the season, I think, is the holiday birthday, because you, of course, don't want to stand up like the birthday boy or birthday girl, but at the same time, you know, you still want to look good, right? So I am off to a birthday party tonight, and of course, it's holiday time. So I am going to show you kind of how I balance my makeup look and then also kind of the outfit that I'm going to be wearing for tonight. One of the things I want to do is give my skin a little bit of glow, so I'm using just my Pi Skincare Impossible Glow Drops. I really, really love these. They also have the ones, this is the lighter shade, but they also have the ones that are in like the deeper shade in brown. I made the mistake of getting the lighter shade. I don't know why. I don't know what happened. So I'm going to do that. And then for just my eyes, I'm a queen at the smoky eye. I really am. So I'm going to just do kind of this like bronzy-ish color of a smoky eye. I'll just show it to you. It's going to be like this kind of like bronzy brown color. And then I'm going to keep the mascara. I want Va Va Voom mascara, so I'm going to do my Swede mascara, which is my Va Va Voom currently. And then, of course, we'll do just a teeny tiny bit of the eyebrows. And then I will do a red lip for tonight and then put together the outfit. So I'm going to do all of this really quickly, and then you currently see the before. Get ready to see the after. Boop! This is the after. Wait, let me zoom in. And of course, I do my lipstick last. And if you don't want to do any, like the glow lights drops that I did, because I just put them all over my face, what you can do is you can get this Fenty Balm right here. This is Rose Lave. I like to do it on my T-zone, but you can see all the sparkle. And then just a tiny bit on the cheeks. And it's perfect. Alright, let's get dressed. Alright, so I am getting ready to go out. This is the outfit. So I have on this lovely little metallic dress, which I got from the brand The Mighty Company. It's a leather metallic dress. The reason why I'm doing this is, one, it is a dinner. There's going to be a lot of food, so I want adequate space to like be able to move. Two, because it is like the wintry months, we're in the holiday time, I just didn't want to go with like normal black. I wanted to do something fun. And so that's kind of why I decided to go with this. A bit more festive, I feel like. I always think when you do like metallic leathers, they can be very festive. So this is the look. I put my hair up in a little ponytail. I put on these earrings, my fabulous little earrings, because I'm doing gold as my mix color. So I love to mix metals. I think it's a lot of fun. So I'm mixing metals with gold and then accessories, gold and black accessories, with the dress, sticking that as black. Because it is downpouring outside, just pouring rain, I am going to wear boots. And I think, so my boots are going to be these knee-high black boots that are from the brand Soft, and they're like slouchy. They're not the world's most comfortable boots, but they are cute. I may have to take these socks, I think, are too thick for the boots, so. Oh, I like this. I feel like it gives like a 60s fembot vibe. So, here it is. Voila! There you have it. My holiday birthday outfit. Talk to you later. Bye!